Hi everyone. I wanted to share something very exciting with all of you. So, we have been working on an idea which we believe should truly inspire the next generation of people into AI and machine learning. And for that, I wanted to introduce all of you to Prerit. So, Prerit is one of our youngest data science intern. And for those of you who have attended Data Hack Summit 2018, you would have seen Prerit in action at Data Hack Summit 2018. So let me introduce Prerit.
Hello guys, I'm Prerit Rathi, data science intern at Analytics Vidhya and creator of the AI comic Z.A.I.N. So I read this article about object detection and computer vision some time back, but lately I was able to recall only some part of it. But to my surprise, I was able to actually recite a comic that I read a couple of years back.
So that is when we decided to create an AI comic which enables people to understand what AI and ML can deliver for the mass. So even if you don't know what AI is, what ML is, and what they can do, you can read these comics and understand these technologies from a layman perspective.
So we are releasing the first issue of the AI comic Z.A.I.N today.
Go check it out and let us know if you have any feedback about the comic and the character. Looking forward to hearing from you.